Hey everyone, it's Charles Way from Living in New Jersey 411, and today we're diving into the vibrant community of Wayne, New Jersey. Whether you're moving here or just curious about what Wayne has to offer, we'll talk schools, local eats, and sports programs, something that I know you'll love. Now, when buyers are looking for homes, they always ask me, how are the schools? I love to send them to niche.com, where you can find anything and everything about how a school's performance is and how they do during test taking time. But if you want to know more about Wayne High Schools, you cannot be in a better spot than Wayne, New Jersey. They have two major high schools, Wayne Valley and Wayne Hills. They are arch rivals in all sporting categories, whether it's football, basketball, field hockey, soccer. This is your one-stop shop for anything and everything about sports. You want a great sporting environment, you come to Wayne, New Jersey, and you'll get it, no matter if you're on the valley side or the hillside. Now let's talk about Wayne's local eats. Now there are tons of restaurants here that many of the locals attend and go to, but two of the spots that I truly like to go to is Crumble Cookies. For all of you dessert levels, Crumble is one of the best dessert franchises around, up and coming, growing franchise. The other spot is a nice little breakfast lunch spot called Jackie Smalls, right in off of Valley Road, right across the street from Wayne Valley High School. Okay guys, now it's time for us to talk about home pricing in the home market in Wayne, New Jersey. The median home price for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, roughly between 1,000 to 2,000 square feet, is roughly between $500,000 and $700,000. I think this is a great place. We have plenty of homes on the market. They aren't going as fast as they once were, but they are still moving. So if you're in the market for a home, specifically in Wayne, New Jersey, come check us out. Give us a call. Allie, myself, we're here to help. Living in New Jersey 411, we're here to take you where the action is.